Hello, well here we are. We are going to today sign up for GitHub, for an account on GitHub. So what github.com is, it is a place where we can keep our code, basically, that are in things called repositories, which I guess you could think of like a project. Git is a version control system, and GitHub is where we can keep our, like I said, like our code we're using. So the first thing we need to do is actually sign up for an account on GitHub to then create a repository, to then put on our computer and then push and pull some code around. So let's create a username. I'm going to create this one, Miam123, and the email hello@miam.com, and a password that I'll put in there, and I'll sign up for GitHub. So this is just exactly really like signing up for many other websites, in that username, email address, password. Here we go. Welcome to GitHub. We've got our first page here, which is basically saying what kind of a plan we want. We're more than happy with this unlimited public repositories for free plan. If you don't want your code publicly available, then by all means you can elect to pay for $7 a month for unlimited private repositories. We can just press continue to get on with this, and we'll be met with a bit of a survey. You can say totally new to program, you're here to do some development, and you're a hobbyist or whatever. It doesn't really matter. This has absolutely no effect on how your software will be set up. It's purely for GitHub's purposes, just to know what's going on. The next thing, yep, cool. So there's a guide. It's absolutely, I would totally say give it a good read. We'll be going through the basics of GitHub through this exercise, for how to push and pull code and all that kind of thing. But I do highly recommend reading that guide as well. Let's start a project. So we've got to verify email address. So I'll just quickly pause this and run off and do that now. Great, so I've now gone off and verified my email. You will have got an email in your inbox from GitHub saying, please verify your email address. Just click that link. And you'll be brought back to this page where it says read the guide or start a project. So let's hit the start a project button. And now you'll see create a new repository. And like I was saying, a repository is kind of like thinking about it in your in terms of your computer. A repository is like a folder. So if you had a folder on your hard drive that was, you know, websites, and then within that you had project 1, another folder called project 2. This is where you'd say, you know, theoretically project 1 in there. So we don't want to call it project 1. Let's call it first website. So first-website. No spaces can be in your repository name. You can give it a description if you want. So we can say my first Git repo and project. It's public, obviously, unless, of course, you bought the private plan, in which case you can press private there if you want. So yes, tick that box that says initialize this repository with a README, and we'll go through that a bit later. As far as the git ignore goes, for the moment you could probably just leave that blank, as we're not going to be getting into anything super full on, like you know, where we require certain things to be ignored. That's a very handy feature to have though for certain stuff, particularly with preprocessors and running things with Node and so forth. So for now we can just say create repository, and we'll have our repository, which is called first website, which is pretty exciting. So here we have our page on Git. We can see that up here in the address bar, we've got github.com, and then Miam123, or whatever your username is, and then first website. And so this is where our code will be stored in this new project we're going to make. So we're now signed up to GitHub, which is great. We've created our first repository, which is called first website, and it has a README file in it. You can see that there, readme.md, right there. And so what we're going to do in the next few videos is we will install some software so that we can actually put some code into this from our hard drive and back again. We can push and pull some code, and also see about sharing some code with other people. Alrighty, thanks heaps.